Okay, should I start with a brief introduction first?
Sure. My name is Akshay Kumar. I have the 10.2 years of experience as the full stack developer and 2 years of experience as the tech architect. So far, I have worked on three domains: uh, banking, e commerce, and SaaS. My last project, basically the company's own product, in Pay. It is the payment platform, and our client is US Bank and Citibank. Through this product, we are giving services to our client, and it has three portals: bank portal, consumer portal, and client portal. All the three portals are communicating with each other. Technologies I have used here are MySQL, Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, React, JavaScript, design patterns, Kafka, microservices, AWS. Responsibilities here I had I made the APIs according to our US Bank requirements. I made the front end part in React from scratch. I maintained the project and fixed the bugs whatever came in production. I integrated payment options like PayPal, ACH deposit, and Zelle. Thank you.
Okay. So you worked on which version of Java?
Java 8.
Okay, so let's start with Java 8 only. So what are streams? Java
What are streams?
streams. Yeah.
Streams are basically um, is the concept of functional programming, which just came under Java 8, so that we don't have to write the lots of code when we are writing some manipulating tasks. Okay, so with the help of streams, uh, basically we have the stream function. Okay, so we apply on any type of data. We can apply on any type of data like map, suppose. So basically, suppose I applied on map, so I will write like this. Suppose my hash map is defined as hm. So hm is dot stream parenthesis open close dot entry set function, then dot filter, then dot for each. So this is how the syntax goes on when we are working with streams. So basically,
Okay.
yeah.
Can you share the screen and for example, let's take an array and if you want to take a hash map also that's okay. But that won't allow you duplicate. So let's take an array and let's have some duplicate elements in that array and let's filter them out using streams.
Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Hmm. Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so I have to make one array.
Yeah, take an array with some duplicates and filter them out using streams.
Okay,
So what are you trying to do here in for each?
I am traversing the array with the help of stream.
Entry set, will it be applicable on array? We're not using hash mark.
Yes, I can solve this question with the help of hash map. Uh, but you said we have to go with the stream, so that's
Yeah,
why.
so we can't use entry set here, right? Because entry set is used to iterate when you are dealing with a hash map. And here we are using arrays, not a hash map. We are using for each to traverse over the array. That's why we are using entry set.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Shouldn't the S be capital for string?
What?
Shouldn't the S be capital for the method stream?
Uh, uh, no, I think everything is in small. Basically, function name is in small in Java.
Okay. Okay, no worries. You can check this later on. Let's move on.
Okay.
So what are the functional interfaces in Java?
Functional interface is the interface which has one single abstract method. It is called as functional interface. Yeah.
What are abstract methods in Java?
What are
Abstract methods.
abstract methods? Uh, Abstract methods basically we make the abstract method in abstract class. Okay, generally, and when we make the method abstract, so we don't define its body, we just declare it, and basically its implementation is done by other class which inherits it, that abstract class. Yeah, so basically it helps for generalization, we can call it. It is useful for polymorphism. It is an example of polymorphism, we can say. Yeah, with the help of making abstract method, so that any class which inherits it can make the definition according to its requirement. Thank you.
Which type of polymorphism? Runtime or compile time?
It is basically compile time polymorphism. Yeah,
What is a compile time polymorphism?
compile time polymorphism means when we uh, basically the same function name, but it has uh, different basically the the function name is same, but it's different definition according to the requirements. Okay.
And what are the cases? What are the differences? Because there are two types of polymorphism, and in both the cases, the function name remains the same, but the function body is different.
Yeah, yeah, so basically there are two types
So
of.
it's
Yeah, yeah, what? Yeah, please
yeah.
tell.
Please continue.
So basically there are two types of polymorphism: compile time and runtime. So here I have given the example of compile time polymorphism, and basically runtime polymorphism is basically uh, it is used when we are function overriding. Suppose we have already defined the function we have already defined the function in parent class, and basically child class is using same function definition, or let's say it's making its own definition. So in this case, so function is same, but it has overridden according to its requirement. So it is an example of runtime polymorphism. Yeah.
So earlier you were saying compile type polymorphism, which is wrong.
Yeah, what?
It's so earlier you told me compile type polymorphism.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's an example of runtime, not the compile type polymorphism.
yeah. Basically, the for abstract method case. So basically, let's say here I have made one class. Okay, class A.
So abstract methods will be overridden, not overloaded. When you extend the child to the parent class, then you will override the method.
Yeah, no. Basically, just yeah, I have this abstract method. I have defined like this. Okay, and now I have class B which extends class A, and another class C which extends A. So here I am giving its body, and here also I am giving its body. So there is no case of here overriding. Overriding happens when we suppose I have already defined the body here. Then in that case, that method is not abstract. So it is an example of compile type polymorphism. That's why.
So overriding happens between different classes or within the same class.
Overriding happens basically within same class.
Sure.
Yeah.
Then what is the use of interfaces? Why did we implement interface?
Uh, Interface is basically used for uh, interface is an extension of abstract class. Okay, so basically one child class can have uh, more than one parent. Okay, so that we cannot do with the help of abstract class. So that's the main difference between abstract class and interface. Yeah.
Okay, please check this thing after this interview. Overriding happens between two different classes and overloading happens within the same class. So this is an example. This class B extends A, and then where you're defining this in here. This is an example of overriding. Please check this once.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay. So what design patterns have you worked on?
Singleton.
Singleton. Okay. So why are singleton patterns used?
When we want to make only one object, then we use singleton.
Okay. So what is the advantage? I mean, for which purpose do we create only single object of a class?
It is used
Single
for
class.
it is used for memory optimization when we don't. So basically, when we make more than one objects, so we are using lots of memory. But when we make only one object and all the functionality we use only on the single object, so it saves us lots of memory. So it is one of the example.
No, so you
Advantage.
can't always go with one object, right? There should be some scenarios where only singleton pattern will be used. Because if a class is being used by different classes, then we'll have to create different objects. But there is one case, one or two cases where you will need only one object
Yeah,
throughout the life cycle of your project.
yeah. Basically, we cannot generalize it. but in some situation we can go with singleton, and singleton give us best performance. Yeah.
So in your project, where did you use it? In which case did you use singleton pattern?
I have used basically in the banking project. Here, in the case of payment, when I integrated my payment option, PayPal, so here the RAM was taking lots of memory. So I just for saving my memory so that my performance improves, I some part of my project I used with only single object and give it all the functionalities with the help of instance variables and methods. Yeah.
But then how did you use that class with other classes? You
Uh,
have been using a lot of classes, right?
no, basically, the requirement was such that there was no need to uh, interrelation with many classes. So only with one class, my task was completed.
What was that class doing?
Uh, it was basically storing the payment payment data of the user.
So for DB operations, you use singleton pattern.
Yeah,
And what DB did you use?
MySQL.
Nice. Okay. So you have knowledge of Kafka also?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is Kafka? How did you implement Kafka? And which schema, JSON, Avro, what format did you use?
Means what is the question?
Okay. Let's start with what is Kafka.
Okay. Yeah, Kafka is basically useful for uh, when we want to have the intercommunication between microservices.
Mhm.
There we will use Kafka, and it happens with the help of topic. Basically, topic has the message, and we can pass the messages uh, among microservices. Yeah.
So what is a broker?
Broker.
Yeah.
Broker is a basically queue in Kafka. So basically, queue has the messages which we provided. Yeah.
Okay. Then what's a zookeeper?
Zookeeper. Zookeeper is used for handling the. Uh, sorry, I don't know about zookeeper. Yeah.
Okay. Have you heard of cluster? About cluster?
No. I have heard its name, but I don't know about it. Yeah.
Okay. DLQ, dead letter Q,
Yeah. What?
dead letter Q, DLQ,
Uh, TLQ.
D, D for Dubai.
Can you please write it in message box? I'm not.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Thank you. I don't know what it is.
Okay. In which part of the project did you use Kafka? How was you handling Kafka in the project?
Basically, for this banking project, I have used it, and so basically, we made the microservices architecture. So in which we have the API gateway, service register discovery, and 3 to 4 microservices. And for intercommunication between these 3 to 4 microservices, I have used Kafka.
So what happened when the topic did not get published?
What happens
Suppose
when?
you're sending an event.
What happens?
Suppose you're sending an event.
I am.
Suppose you're sending an event.
Hmm.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Okay. Suppose you're sending an event and that event fails to get published.
Hmm.
In that case, what did you do?
In that case, so basically, in that case, I just stored the error message. Okay, in the topic.
Store the error.
Yeah. So basically, my event has failed. Okay. So I just stored the error message in topic, and uh, basically, whenever a certain microservices just requesting for that, just waiting for that particular event, and its event is not coming in that particular time interval, then instead of hitting the same microservice again and again, I just send its result through topic. Yeah. So basically, it helps us in reducing the network bandwidth. Yeah.
So there was no concept of retry mechanism.
Retry mechanism.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, we can use it for, but I have used the other method.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm done. You have any questions for me?
Basically, can you tell me about the roles and responsibilities for this position?
Okay, let's see. In the next round, if you make it to the next round, then I think they will tell you. For now, I am not supposed to tell this.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.